According to Drive Tesla, a new software update from Tesla version February 6, 2025, is activating a previously unused radar unit in some Model Y vehicles, as well as the Model 3 Refresh and Cybertruck. This radar, installed in Model Ys since late 2021 but left inactive, will now be used to detect passengers in the front row, improving accuracy for airbag deployment based on passenger size and position. While this update enables first-row detection, Tesla recently announced that the upcoming 2026 Model Y will feature an advanced 4D radar system capable of detecting rear passengers, monitoring heart rate and breathing, and even calling 911 if a child or pet is left inside. This enhanced system is expected to roll out in a Q3 update. Interestingly, some 2023 Model Ys appear to be missing the radar unit, possibly due to a supply shortage. Tesla is reaching out to affected owners to offer a free replacement. However, it remains unclear if other older Model Ys and the new Model 3 will receive the full second-row sensing upgrade. You are listening to UON News.